Now I'm going to review best refrigerator in the market for this year. All over this video, our focus will be on finding the best of the best product. And from a list of the best products available in the current market, we have picked these products as the most spectacular. We are certain you won't be disappointed after watching this video. In selecting these products, there are various factors which we should take into consideration. As a result of the hard work and time invested in the selection of these products, we can assure you of a stress-free process whenever you decide to make a purchase of your desired product. These include reviews from our customers like you on various sites, performance, and specifications of each product. We have gone an extra mile to ensure you don't get confused when making your purchase. To get other information on each product, the video description includes embedded links which you can open. Please don't forget to like and share this video. You can also subscribe to our channel and press on the bell icon to get notifications when we post a new video in the future. At number 1, Midea WHD-113FB1. This refrigerator comes in a portable size, which makes it perfect for storing beverages and snacks in your personal space, game room, or any other area of your choice. It is ideal for RVs, small apartments, and homes. In spite of its little size, it functions the same way as a large refrigerator. It has a separate freezer, which is on the large side in comparison to the majority of the compact fridges of its size. Its door comes with extra storage space, and it can cool food quietly and quickly. This unit comes with a complete warranty of 1 year, which helps you save cash in the long run. On the downside, the freezer does not come with any locks. At number 2, RCA RFR 321 FR 320/8 IGLOO. This mini refrigerator is unique from the others because it comes in numerous amazing colors. If you are not a fan of loud color, you can decide to go with the basic options like white and black. However, unlike its counterparts, it comes in a capacity of 3.2 cubic feet, implying that this fridge needs more space for storage. It also offers adequate space for chilling your best snacks or drinks. It also comes with a freezer compartment and built-in can dispenser, alongside an adjustable thermostat. At number 3, Danby Designer DCR044 A2WDD-3. This freezer is one of the quietest in its category. It is a compact refrigerator which does not have a freezer, and this implies you have extra space for the storage of your other items. This refrigerator is an ideal option for small dormitory rooms, apartments, and little offices. It also has ample space which would allow you to share with your office mate or roommate as well. With a size of just around 2 feet, it does not take much space and would make a good backup fridge. Thanks for watching this video. If you have recently bought products and got any experience during purchasing, then you are welcome to share that experience in our comment section. And hit the subscribe button as well as the bell icon to be the first to enjoy the latest video in the future.